Per Inside EVs, Tesla's recent layoffs in its charging team have impacted the expansion of its supercharging network. In the second quarter of 2024, Tesla added 224 new supercharging stations globally, a 30% decrease from the previous year. This is the lowest quarterly increase since Q4 2021. The number of new individual connectors installed was 2,017, marking a 31% decline year-over-year. Tesla's supercharging network now includes approximately 6,473 stations and nearly 60,000 stalls worldwide. Despite the slowdown, Tesla remains committed to expanding its network, focusing on North America. The company aims to deploy more capacity this year than the rest of the industry combined in the region. Tesla has also expanded its Non-Tesla Supercharger Pilot, allowing brands like Ford and Rivian to access superchargers through adapters. However, supply constraints have slowed progress. New V4 Superchargers in the US come with integrated CCS1 adapters, credit card readers, and small displays, making them more accessible to non-Tesla drivers. These chargers currently offer a peak power output of up to 250 kilowatts, with future upgrades anticipated. You are listening to Yuan News.